this one over here. When he stops, shoot him. Shoot him. Good job. Okay, get ready. We're going to have another one coming.
Sorry.
That's all right.
So what you told me to do?
Yeah. That's what I said.
The other one coming out this way. Coming right here.
Okay. Jeremy, I want you to kill him when he stops. Make sure the dogs are clear. He's coming back. Don't worry about him. Let me get them back. He'll be back.
Stop. He's coming. Here he comes.
When he stops, go ahead and kill him. Kill him. Wait. Wait till the dogs are clear. He's coming. Kill him.
No, I'm not on him.
Hold on, dogs. You got dogs. You got dogs. He ain't going nowhere. When he stops, kill him if you're clear. Wait a minute. This is good stuff. This is good stuff. Jeremy, go ahead and kill him when he stops. Take a good shot. Hold on, we got dogs. Let me get the dogs back. Kill him. Hold on. Well, hell, he's gonna play with us. Okay. Where's your shotgun, Jeremy? When he stops, kill him. Wait a minute, dog in the way. Come here, Kay. Okay, you're clear. Kill it. Wait a minute, I'm not on him. Kill him.
I hit him. He's bleeding. Oh, he's down. I'm out of bullets, Scott.
Okay.
Fuck yes.
Whew, that was a good one. We sat here and called for 25 minutes and got this double to come in. They wanted to work the dogs. I'm over here with Jeremy Hudson. Jeremy takes care of me. He's a ranch manager. He got a lot of land, and I'm fortunate enough that he lets me hunt. And we came out here today and had a good time. So we're gonna go gather these coyotes and get some pictures.